Experience the luxury of having your own swimming pool in your own property. Pagpasok mo sa property, and malaking parking space, kasya dito yung dalawang kotse. Sa space na to, may makikita kang another room. Pwede sa helper o sa iyong driver. Meron din siya sariling cabinet and toilet and bath. This will be your living area. Meron din itong owling window with screen. Additional lighting din siya. Your dining area. And then the lanay. So, this is the kitchen area with island table. Sa baba. Kabilaan siya. With modular cabinet. Singing cabinet, countertop, table stove, and double bowl kitchen sink. So, meron din siya. And then, yung lagay nyo ng towel, meron din. So, another cabinet here. And table. Very accessible. Kung halimbawa gusto mo dito sa area na to gumawa, kung meron ka ilalagay. And then, kung gusto mo mag-baking, eto, dito ka magpe-prepare. So, hindi ka mahirapan. And then, itong pull-out rack cabinet, meron din siya. Dito sa ground floor, mayroong another room, pwede sa guest or sa senior. Meron siyang modular cabinet, at meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Second floor, meron tayong 4 na bedrooms. Yung malawak na hallway, tara, check natin ang loob. Every room dito sa second floor, meron sariling vanity mirror, sariling cabinet, built-in cabinet. Meron na rin siyang slot for aircon. Malaking silong, may screen na rin siya. This is the second bedroom with vanity mirror and shelves. Built-in cabinet. For aircon. And another window with a screen. This is the common toilet and bath. Third bedroom. For aircon. Window, vanity mirror, and built-in cabinet. Dito sa third bedroom, meron sariling toilet and bath. This is master's bedroom. Very spacious. With owning window, meron na rin siyang screen, WPC fluted wall panel, sliding door, para sa iyong balcony. Dito sa master's bedroom, meron tayong walk-in closet. Tara, check natin. This is Ana Atibagos, PRC and DSQD Real Estate Salesperson. For more details, please contact my number.